Welcome along to another Arcade 20p challenge. This week, 2 credits. This week it is Robocop, and I'm probably one of the last to do this challenge. I've been practicing, but I've been playing this on and off for years, so I'm moderately good at it. Let's see how far we get on 2 credits. Go. Yeah. So, film came out in 87. That's too fast to read. Film came out in 87. Everyone's aware of the film, I'm sure. And this arcade version came out following year in 88. Was based on a script. So they started making the game before the film came out, as was common at the time. Yeah, and basically it was released for loads of platforms, mainly 8-bit platforms. Also from 88 to 91, I think, came out on the Game Boy late in the day. Game Boy version, the music on that was actually used in Charlie Brooker's How Games Saved the Universe, or whatever the fuck it was called. You know, one of his wipes, game wipe thing type job. I've actually got about 5 versions of this on my cabinet, so I'm not quite sure what the difference is. Other than Ed 209's a bit easier on the one I was playing earlier, so I thought it'd be harder on this, so I'd switch back so it's more like the ones everyone else is playing. You want to get rid of your bullets here, because they don't really help with Ed 209. You really just want to fucking shoot the fuck out of them. Yeah, not more of a hindrance than a help, the three way gun. Right, okay, let's get going. Second level. Oh fuck. Shot again. What else? Oh yeah, Spectrum version got 94%, I think, in Spectrum magazine, and is seen by a lot as better than the arcade, which has got to be a first for a Spectrum game, because most of them look horrible, but it's not all about looks, is it? Wasted a few shots there. Yeah, apparently it was in the charts. I think the Spectrum version was in the charts for like 2 years. Top 10 for 2 years or something like that. Shit, didn't know he could shoot through that. Fuck. Anyway. Yeah, there's 2 of the fuckers. It's quite annoying. I like how Andrew did it all in a Robocop voice. Not sure I could manage to keep that up for the entire time, so I thought I wouldn't bother, because I'd probably try it for the first 5 seconds and then just give up on it, because I'm notoriously terrible at accents, as anyone who's seen my improv will probably testify. Right, here's the boss. So watching everyone else, I've learned you want to be in the middle somewhere. Yeah?
Thank you for your cooperation.
There we go. Like someone mentioned, a lot of it is to do with memory, memorizing patterns and stuff. Let's see if I can get a perfect here. I've managed one before. I didn't even think it was possible, to be honest, but I've seen others do it, so I thought it must be possible. So Bollocks. But it's not happening now. Let's just see if we can get as many as we can. I think that's perfect, even though it is. Oh no, it isn't. Okay. Yeah, they vary these targets throughout the different versions of the game for some reason. You don't need a perfect on one. Yeah, weird. Anyway, missed the extra life bar that would have given me, but there you go. Swings and roundabouts. The invisible grenade, man. So annoying. Now, some people run under that. I'm not doing that. Because I'm not doing it. Yeah. Oh, fuck. My entire strategy has gone out the window. Because I got hit by them fucking things. Right, okay. Bollocks. Still not sure what them jetpacky things do. But I'll get them anyway. Don't think it gives you health. Could be wrong. Oh, just managed that.
Thank you for your cooperation.
I've got a shot at this. I've got a shot at it. We'll see how it goes. Man, just standing there waiting for you to grab him, as pointed out previously. And yeah. I'm gonna die here. It's inevitable. Look at that power bar. Slightly nervous. This is the first real time I've got a shot at actually fucking winning this challenge. Just when they've got rid of the winner picks again. Just my luck. Oh, killed the grenade man. Ah, fuck. Did not see that. Did not see that coming. That was annoying. Anyway, let's get this going. Get a bit of invincibility here, which is useful. Just there's loads of these fuckers. Right. And try and take it slow. Let's see if I can. No. I can't get him. Let's get the gun. I thought it had gone off the screen there. That's good. Drop it. Yeah, someone was like, what does he say there? He says drop it. I believe he says drop it, because that's what he says in the film at some point. So, you know, it's quite impressive that they made this without the film actually being finished. You know, how did they know to get it as quite as accurate as it? Fuck. Lost a bit of health. Quite annoying. Well, looks like I'll either get to the same bit Andrew and Chris, was it, got to, or I'll get a bit further. Shit. Just.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Okay, leader so far, unless other people posted videos. So, quite happy with that. Let's get this shooting range on. Hey, 100% full energy bar. Watch me last about 5 seconds here. Literally 5 seconds. You think you last ages with that, but not on this fucking level. Too many of them fucking I mean, like, because, oh yeah, it's the future. There's gonna be flying men in the future. Obviously, flying men in the future. That's the way it's gonna be. Apologies. My camera's moved and I want to get as far as I can, so I'm going to move it. Normally you can't blow them up unless you have come on, yes. What's that? Fucking flamethrower. Okay, that's as far as I get. Unless there's any cheeky last minute additions, then I think that's mine. Finally. No longer the bridesmaid. But, knowing my luck, someone will put a last minute effort in. Anyway, see you next week.